Check it out, guys. Look at that. Guys, I made myself a little assembly station. It just makes it easier for me to put these things together. So the first thing that I add, welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be making some shish kebab tacos. In Spanish they're called tacos de alambre. The ingredients, again, they're very simple. You guys know that I like to keep things as simple as I can for everybody out there. So what I have here is 2 bell peppers. You can add more, or if you don't like them, just don't add them. 2 onions, some limes, some bacon, sausage, cheese for quesadillas, and I have about three pounds of fajita or skirt steak. And for the seasoning, I'm going to use garlic powder, lemon pepper, and this chupa hueso from Don Juan's. You can find those at your local HEB if you have one. But I'm going to cut them up, and then I'm going to show you how I put them together. So I'll be right back. Guys, what I like to do is I like to remove this excess fat. You don't need to be eating that stuff. Personal preference, guys. If you like it, leave it. A lot of people say flavor. I mean, fat is flavor. I don't like it. So we're gonna cube this up, and then we're gonna marinate it. So just gonna do this real quick. How about that camera guy? Just cut yourself a little, whatever size you want, guys. Just cube it up. Very simple. Then put them like such. Then you can go small, bigger, or even like that if you want, whatever you want. Because remember, they do shrink. They have fat, so they do shrink. So you don't want to go that small. That's pretty good. It's a little too big. Yeah, that little guy. Let me finish cubing up the rest of this off camera, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I get those lemons that I told you, and squeeze it all over the meat. The lime will assist in the to tenderize the meat, in case you were wondering. And I used 3. I had already squeezed some, did it off camera, but I used 3 limes for 3 pounds of meat. Get this out of the way. Then you get your favorite seasoning. Do a layer. Some lemon pepper. Some of the garlic salt. Not salt, I'm sorry, garlic powder. I never use garlic salt. Where did that come from? Then you toss the meat. Smells good already, huh?
Yeah.
Let's do the other side. And go pretty liberal, guys. You want flavor. Repeat the same process. Okay, let me move this to the side, let it marinate for a few minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. So look at what I did, guys. I made myself a little assembly station. It just makes it easier for me to put these things together. So the first thing that I add, of course, is the fajita or the skirt steak, the bacon, sausage, onion, and then the bell pepper. And then I repeat all over again. What I have here is some wooden skewers. You can use whatever you have. A lot of people like to soak these for about 30 minutes so they don't catch on fire. I really don't care. I'm gonna try to cook them as fast as I can. You can soak them if you want to. If you don't, you'll see what happens. Okay, so let's put one together. I'm gonna do one on camera and then I'll do the rest. I don't want to bore you with that. You get a piece of skirt steak. Put your finger right here, all the way down. You put some bacon. I fold it twice. Some sausage. Some onion. Some bell pepper. There you go. And then you do it again. Skirt steak. Bacon. Bacon does not want to cooperate with me. All right. There we go. Bacon. Sausage. Then we get some onion. My son was asking me a question, why in this order, Dad? And the reason I like to do it in this order is because the meat and the bell pepper will hold the most on the stick. If you put the onion, it's gonna break off and it's gonna fall off and you're gonna make a mess on your grill. So let's do it again. Oops. All right, let me finish these things off camera, guys, and then we'll meet you back outside in the grill. Okay, so this is what they look like, guys, once they're all put together. They do take a little bit of time. That's why I don't make these that often. We did have a little bit of leftover, which is, you can see over here. I just made some beef, onion, and sausage. I did add another, I used, 3 lengths of sausage?
Yeah.
Okay, of the extra sausage. And I did have to use another bell pepper. So 2 onions, 3 bell peppers, and 3 sausage links. So let me go outside and check on that grill, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so today we're cooking on my Pitboss pellet grill / smoker. I have it set at 450 degrees. As you can see, all that smoke, we've already done the preheat. We're gonna open it up, and we're gonna start putting the kebabs on the grill. That's what you wanna hear. You want to give them a little bit of space in between each other, guys, just so the convection can go all around the food. This thing has some capacity, huh? We lost a few men down. Alright, guys, so I'm going to shut the lid and I'm going to go get some corn ready. The wife felt like eating some corn. So we're going to get that ready and we're going to check on these things in about, I would say in about 10 minutes. We're back. Alright, guys, so I said 10 minutes, but I fell asleep behind the wheel. 13 minutes later, look at that. Yeah. so I'm gonna shut the lid, check them back in about 10 to 12 minutes later. Hey, look at here. All right, 10 minutes have gone by, guys. Man, look at that. They smell awesome. Yeah. Let's see if I can give them a quick little flip. Look at that. These are awesome. That's hot. My grill has a hot spot on this side, as you can tell. These are cooked a lot better than these, so I'm just gonna give them a quick little rotate. I'm thinking about another 5 minutes and they're gonna be done, guys. Let me do that little quick rotate and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so 3 minutes later, I didn't go 5. I did the rotate. Check them out, guys. These were on this side. These are already, they're done. I'm gonna take them out in a little bit. Let's flip these out. Look at that. Look at that. Those look freaking yummy. 3 more minutes, these bad boys are done, guys. We'll be back. Check it out, guys. 3 more minutes. And look at that. These bad boys are ready. I'm gonna pull them off the pit. I'll take them inside. I'm gonna let them rest for a little bit, and then I'll show you what we do with them. All right? Okay, so what you want to do next? You can use whatever you want for this video. I'm using corn tortillas. You can use flour. You can use whatever tortillas you want, but my preference is corn. So I'm gonna go warm them up outside on the grill, and then I'm gonna show you what I do with them next. Okay, so here we go, guys. So remember the sequence that we used to put them together? So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it from right there. You know what, it's easier. I use a knife and just pull them off like so. Then you're gonna cut them up. And you're gonna make a taco with that. Check that out. All right, so now what we do, I'm gonna show you 2 methods right now, okay? I cut this up, get some of that cheese, put it right here. You can also do this, grab it a lot faster. I like to cut them up. Do this, don't make a mess like me. Put them right here, and let's get another one. They smell so good, huh?
Yeah.
Put them right here, and let's take them back out to the grill. All right, guys, so I put them, you saw me put them in this pan. I covered them with foil. The goal is just to melt the cheese. It's not gonna take long at all. It's a hot day here in South Texas, so it's probably gonna take about, I would say about 3 minutes. Let's find out. All right, guys, so we're checking them in 2.5 minutes. Check it out. Let's take them inside. There you go, guys. This is what it looks like all on the plate. And it took us, what, Pop, 29 minutes to cook the kebabs. and then another what, 2.5 minutes for the cheese to melt. So it takes a little bit longer, guys, because we're making a video, obviously, but you can get this done in about 45 minutes total. I'm not talking about the prep time. Let's say about an hour. But this is what they look like, man. You just get your favorite salsa. Well, I like more salsa. They smell incredible, guys. I wish you guys could smell this. But guys, you saw the ingredients are very straightforward. You can get them just about anywhere that you go. And the most difficult part of this cook is the prep time. Just prepping the kebabs. But grilling them, as you saw, take no time at all. Very, very simple. You can eat them as a taco, or you can just eat them on the stick, however you like. Guys, if you have any questions, please drop them down below. We would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And thank you guys for watching. God bless. All right, so 3 minutes after we closed the video, guys, this is what's left of the 3 tacos that were on the plate. Guys, they were amazing. I would definitely encourage you guys to give this a try. Thank you once again. Bye.